As we welcome you back to the world of live events, meeting safety will be a priority. Working alongside our venue partners and industry associations, we have developed the MeetSAFE Guidelines. The MeetSAFE Guidelines are a series of meeting formats with hybrid event options, equipment packages, and recommendations that address how to reduce risk, increase confidence, and promote health within the meeting space. Meeting type, room layout, traffic flow, technology considerations, and cleaning routines are at the heart of this offering with the goal to make the meetings and events industry stronger and healthier than ever. We are committed to providing a safe and healthy workplace for our customers and our team members. We will continue to evolve and align our MeetSAFE guidelines with your safety and preference in mind. Since 1937, we have been connecting and inspiring people around the globe with impactful meeting and event experiences with an unwavering focus on you and your meeting objectives. That focus has never been more important than it is today. As the event environment changes, it will be more important than ever to create experiences that promote the value of face-to-face meetings, collaboration and engagement, with a renewed focus on health and safety. When the world is ready, we'll help you meet safe.